Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your earbuds, HONOR Earbuds to Lite. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also that part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, on your Android, open settings, and then we should go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android, accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. You may have it at the middle or at the beginning, it depends. Okay, so enter into accessibility, then we need to scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. So, if you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to move this dot and test it what will be the best one for you. We increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, the same process, you just move this dot to the left. Again, you need to move it and test it what will be the best one for you. And we increase the volume for the left and lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. Sorry, that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we should go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. So maybe you need to scroll down a bit, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again. In the hearing, we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to move this dot and test it what will be the best one for you. We increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, the same process, you just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance, so you need to move it, and we increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!